What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave, and I'm out back behind Signature Glass Tinting. Wanted to just show off this brand new Volvo XC90. We just tinted every single window, literally. All the sides, back window, front sunroof, rear sunroof, and of course the front windshield. The customer that owns this car chose the Lumar Air 80 for the front windshield and also for the glass roof. They chose the new Lumar Nano Ceramic IRX 35 for all the sides and the back window. Of course, we digitally cut every single piece of film. Never do we hand cut. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved, lifetime manufacturer's warranty, and of course everything we do comes standard with our no-fault guarantee. Let's open this baby up. I mentioned earlier that we digitally cut every single piece of film. Looks great. The big sunroof, windshield, front doors, rear doors, quarter windows. There's no extra film flopping around in the wind. There's no light gaps. We use the Tint 2020 cutting system. We like it best. There's a couple other competitors, I guess we could say. They're all pretty good. I like the Tint myself. I've been using it for like 12 years. But again, just to quickly review, this is the new Lumar IRX 35% all the way around. Front windshield, Lumar Air 80. Sunroof, Lumar Air 80. If you have any questions, give us a call, 949-515-8468.